In this video tutorial, we'll discuss how to turn paper meeting minutes into a searchable archive of information. You can take those file cabinets full of paper and create a digital library, allowing you to find information in the meeting minutes in seconds instead of hours. This template and tutorial was developed by Acrobat user community member Tom Carson during his work with municipal governments. To begin, you'll need Adobe Acrobat 10 Professional, as Acrobat Standard lacks the catalog feature and guided actions, which you'll need. A good scanner. Tom recommends the Fujitsu ScanSnap, and the zip file associated with this tutorial. There are 7 basic steps to this entire process: extracting the zip file, customizing the template files, scanning the meeting minutes, standardizing the file naming convention, creating bookmarks for navigation, recognizing the text and scans, and setting up the full text index for searching. Let's begin by extracting the Creating Searchable Minutes zip file associated with this tutorial. These are all the files you need to develop your searchable meeting minutes. The zip file contains the primary template file titled Minutes Main, an Acrobat 10 action called Add Bookmarks to Document, an Acrobat catalog index, and an entire folder structure. There's a folder for each year, and a folder that contains a year's main navigation page, and a folder for your scanned meeting minutes. As mentioned previously, the Minutes Main PDF is the primary template, and it controls all navigation and directs you what to do. When you open the Minutes Main PDF, you may be prompted to load the index catalog file for full text searching. Go ahead and click Load to allow loading of the catalog file. At this point, there are no meeting minutes that are scanned, therefore all of the years appear in black text. You can start scanning with any year and then add the other years as you have time. It doesn't have to be done in a day. Once you've scanned a particular year, you can use the Touch Up Text tool located under the Tools pane and Content panel. And you can change the years to white and change the title to your organization's. In addition, if you select the image at the top, you'll be prompted to import your own image so you can customize the primary template file. You can choose from numerous different file types to import underneath the pull-down menu. In this case, I'll import a JPEG for my particular image. Next, you'll need to bring your scanned meeting minutes into the template structure. This can be done within Acrobat or by using your scanner's native software. Scanners with Twain or Windows image acquisition drivers can scan directly into Acrobat using the Create PDF from Scanner menu. Scans slow down with color, or if you choose to run optical character recognition at this particular point in the process. Alternatively, you can scan directly from within a scanner, like the ScanSnap, and move your minutes right into the appropriate folder and name them. The ScanSnap scans 20 pages per minute duplex and is not slowed down by color. For example, I'll move these 2 files, which have already been scanned, into the appropriate folder, which in this case is 2010. A standard file naming convention is an important part of this particular process. The old Y2K way of naming minutes, year with 4 digits, month with 2 digits, day with 2 digits, is handy, and computers see this as a logical order. So I'll go ahead and rename these files using that particular convention. This way, if you accidentally put a wrong year in a particular folder, it sticks out like a sore thumb. Bookmarks are also created using this file naming convention and allow for easy display. To easily create bookmarks to navigate the minutes, you'll first need to import the action included in the zip file. Simply double-click on the action, and it will import automatically into Acrobat 10. This particular action allows you to create bookmarks from a folder of files on your system. Simply open up the main file for a particular year, in this case 2010, and run the action, which is located underneath the Tools pane, Action Wizard panel, Add Bookmarks to Document. You'll be prompted to add your folder of scanned files. Which in this case is 2010. And bookmarks are automatically created, allowing you to navigate automatically to your meeting minutes. At this point, the meeting minutes that I scanned are not searchable. This is because I did an OCR during the scanning process. For example, if I search on the word mayor, which I know is in this document, it's not found because the information in the file is just an image. To allow for full-text searching of all the words within your meeting minutes, you'll need to run optical character recognition, or OCR, on your scans. You don't need to do this during the scanning process, as this will slow things down. The best way to OCR with Acrobat is to create a new action to perform this function for you automatically. To create a new action, click on the Tools pane, underneath the Action Wizard panel, and select Create New Action. I'll then open the Recognize Text panel and click on Recognize Text. It's automatically added for me as a step in the process. There are several options that you can automatically set for this particular step, but at this point we're just going to keep the defaults. When I click on Save, I'm prompted to enter a name for my action. And once my action has been created, it will appear underneath the Actions list. Now that I've created this action, I simply click on it to run the process. You can run on individual files or on a folder of files, which is far more effective if you have a lot of scans. I would recommend setting up this action to run automatically so you can just go to lunch during the entire processing. I save the file, and now when I search for the word mayor, it's automatically found within the document. Now that the text is searchable, we just need to optimize the search process. We've already set up an index or catalog. This is associated with the main page. However, this will need to be rebuilt. Go to the Tools pane, select Document Processing, Full Text Index with Catalog. You'll need to browse for the minutes. This is a catalog file that's shipped with the zip files. And choose Rebuild. You'll need to do this whenever you add or change your files. Again, let it recatalog while you're away from your desk, which means you can create an action to automate this process. Now that we have our minutes set up in Acrobat, let's see how easy it is to search for any information. Advanced Search, located underneath the Edit menu, is very powerful because you're searching for all of the text and not just keywords that somebody entered. Acrobat searches PDF text, layers, form fields, and even digital signatures. In this case, we're going to do a proximity search, so we need to turn on Show More Options at the bottom. We're searching for the word mayor and council. Everywhere where mayor and council are within proximity of each other, we're going to get a hit. We tell it to match all of the words, and that will ungrade the proximity. And then we tell it to search. It's located 2 documents with 10 instances. If I open the results, the bold words allow you to select them and go automatically to the document in which the word was found. So now you've seen how easy it is to create an archive of searchable meeting minutes for your organization. Thanks so much to Tom Carson for providing his template and tutorial so you can create searchable minutes in a day.